So here are 5 easy LinkedIn profile tips for job seekers. Starting with the easiest. Focus on high demand job titles. You see, the job title you use in your headline, experience section, and especially the open to work settings directly impact whether recruiters find your profile in the LinkedIn Recruiter tool. So for the open to work settings specifically, don't just enter 1 or 2 job titles. Aim for at least 3 or even up to 5. And if you're unsure which ones to choose, head to the search bar, hit enter, click on jobs, and let me adjust the location to the United States, and search for your desired job title. Now underneath you will then notice related job titles. So I would recommend you enter and compare these job titles to identify those with the most search results, as they reveal the market demand. Alternatively, you can ask ChatGPT if you're uncertain which ones align with your profile. Next, I want you to further improve your visibility in search by adding LinkedIn's keyword suggestions. You see, LinkedIn knows exactly what employers are seeking and searching for in LinkedIn Recruiter. So here's what you can do. Click on More, build a resume, and select Create from Profile. Now enter one of the job titles you aspire to and click Apply. Now over here in the widget area, you will find valuable keyword suggestions that you can add to your profile. So not to this generated resume, but to your actual LinkedIn sections. Now repeat the process for around 4 other job titles. And once completed, you can delete the generated resumes, as we are only using LinkedIn's resume builder for keyword suggestions. Next up, I want you to signal interest to recruiters. You see, companies using LinkedIn Recruiter use the Engaged with Talent brand filter to find interested and potentially committed employees who have taken a public action by liking, sharing, or commenting on company posts. So here's what you can do. Go to Settings and Privacy, Data Privacy, and you scroll down, click the Signal Interest option, and toggle this one on. Now, think of a company you are interested in. So for this example, I will choose LinkedIn. Okay, so here on the company page, click the Follow button. Let me close this one. And then navigate to their About page to see if they have this I'm interested button. Click it to express interest. Next, go to the Posts tab and/or the Live tab so you can engage with their so-called talent brand. So what you need to do is find posts that resonate with you and then you start engaging. Now there's one last technique to signal interest to recruiters, which is by creating job alerts in the Jobs tab. It's not only an easy way to signal interest, but you are also then first in line to be notified about new jobs. And research shows that applying early can increase your chances of hearing back by up to 4 times. So make sure to create job alerts for each individual company you are applying for. Next, I want you to share your resume data with recruiters. So again, go to your settings, data privacy, scroll down, and this time go to your job application settings, because you want to make sure that these are toggled on, and then upload a max of 4 resumes. And what this will do is help your LinkedIn profile get ranked on keywords listed on your resume. Now, don't worry, they won't have access to your full resume. You can and actually still need to manually upload and send personalized resumes for each individual job application. Now, one thing I see job seekers struggle with is whether to enable the OpenToWork photo frame or not. Let's take a look. So if you scroll down, you've got 2 options to choose from. And research shows that if you choose the second option, so with the OpenToWork photo frame, you are 20% more likely to receive messages from your community through posts or in search. And you are 40% more likely to receive in-mails from recruiters. Now, it seems like a no-brainer to enable it, but keep in mind that most smaller companies use LinkedIn's cheaper light version and therefore can't see if you are open to work when enabling recruiters only. So this option is only limited to large corporations that can afford the somewhat pricey LinkedIn Recruiter tool. Meaning, if you're only interested in receiving offers from large companies and/or prefer not to publicly express your job search, consider the first option. And that's it for my 5 easy LinkedIn profile tips for job seekers. And don't forget to download my free job application template, so you can easily check off all the action items per company. Now, thanks for watching, follow me on LinkedIn, and I wish you all the best. Bye!